In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add stickers to WhatsApp. So you might be aware that we currently have like the default stickers, which are the teacups, but you want to expand that and get some more stickers to suit your personality. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I've got more awesome tutorial videos that are going to help you use WhatsApp. So let's get stuck into it. So if we click on the emoji button in the bottom left hand corner, and it brings up our emojis as we expect, and then on the bottom row, if we click the sticker icon, which is to the right of the GIF, so that brings us our current stickers. To add new stickers, we need to click the little plus button that's just midway on the screen on the right hand side. If we click that, so it gives us the option now to download additional stickers. So we can see that we have Merry and Bright, Salty, Como, Hatch, plenty of other stickers. So if you can't find any stickers that you like, you have the option at the end of the screen to click on Get More Stickers. But I'm going to click on Hatch because they look pretty cute. So we'll download that. So we've got a tick on there, so that's done now. I'm going to click back at the top left, and you can see now that the hatch stickers are appearing next to the teacups. So I'm just going to click on the hatch, and now you can see we've got our new stickers. So I'm just going to test them out. Wow, these are great. I'm just going to click the plus button again. I'm just going to select a different set of stickers, biscuit at the bottom. So that's been added already. I'm going to click back, and you can see that the stickers we just downloaded are now appearing, and you can use them as you wish. See you in the next video. Bye.